Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your English speaking, and that is talking about yourself. Yes, you heard me right, talking about yourself. Many English learners ask me, how can I start speaking English? I don't know what to talk about. I don't have anyone to practice with. If you have these questions, this video is for you. The easiest topic in the world is you. Why? Because you already know everything about yourself. You know your name, you know your age, you know your hobbies, you know your daily routine, you know your dreams and goals. And that's why you never run out of things to talk about. Now let's start with a simple introduction. My name is Alex. I am from India. I am learning English because I want to speak English confidently. These are simple sentences, but they are very useful. Okay, now let's go a little deeper. Talk about your family. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. I love spending time with my family. Again, simple English, nothing difficult. Now, talk about your hobbies. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing? Maybe you like reading books, maybe you like watching movies, maybe you like playing cricket. For example, my favorite hobby is reading books. I enjoy watching educational videos. I like learning new things every day. Can you see how easy it is? You are simply talking about your life. Now let's talk about your daily routine. This is one of the best speaking exercises. For example, I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. And then I have my breakfast. After that, I start work or studies. When you talk about your daily routine, you simply learn many useful English sentences. Because you do these activities every day, the vocabulary becomes easy to remember. Now, let's talk about goals. Everyone has dreams, everyone has plans for the future. Speak about them in English. For example, I want to become a fluent English speaker. I want to improve my communication skills. I want to achieve my goals through hard work. Speaking about your goals not only improves your English but also motivates you. Now, I want to tell you something very important. Do not worry about grammar all the time. Many students stop speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes. Remember this, speaking comes first, improvement comes later. A baby learns to speak before learning grammar rules. You should also focus on speaking first. If you make mistakes, that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the more you improve. Another great idea is to record yourself. Take your phone and record a 2-minute video about yourself and then listen to it. You will notice your strengths and weaknesses, and every week you will see progress, and that progress will increase your confidence. So, if you ever feel confused about what to speak in English, remember this, talk about yourself. You are the easiest topic, you are the best topic, and you always have something to say. Start today. Speak for just 5 minutes about yourself. Then do it again tomorrow and again the next day. Slowly, speaking English will become natural for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video.